fix this car, turn it around and sell it for £2.5 grand. Here's guys the absolute beast that I bought for just £200. As you can see, it's a 2012 Seat Ibiza. It's got a little 1.2 3-cylinder engine, and would you believe it, this thing does 80 miles per gallon. Doing something a bit different this year on this channel. It's going to be a mixture of different things, but I'm going to try and focus it on buying crash damaged cars and fixing them up and flog them on and so on. Why? Because I've always had a passion in cars. I've always liked cars since I was a kid, and I've always been working on cars ever since I've been a teenager, really. Ever since I started driving, fixing my own car, fixing my mates' cars, and so on and so on. And but I've just never really documented any of it on video, any of it. So I'm going to try and do more of that. So what I'm sat in right now is what I bought for an absolute bargain. I got a 2012 Seat Ibiza 1.2 TDI for 200 quid. I'll just take you around this car right now and show you. So there is the Seat Ibiza. Just left the door open. It's a 2012 1.2 TDI. And I saved this car from going to a scrapyard. A friend of mine, she bought another car. This was her first car. Just bought another car, and she was going to scrap this one. And at the time, I needed a quick little run around because I saw my E63 and Mrs. car was broken, so I fixed it. So need a little something to get around in instead of my van. So we got this. So I thought, she's scrapping her car, so I bought that off her. It's still MOT'd. Obviously got to tax it now due to the law when you change ownership of a car, but it's free to tax. So it's free to tax. Bought it for 200 quid. And I thought that was an absolute bargain. There is some stuff wrong with it, which is why she sold it. Which is why she was going to scrap it. Just sit back in here because it's absolutely cold outside. So yeah, like I said, there is some stuff wrong with it. But for 200 quid, you know, still MOT till I can't remember, but it's due an MOT soon. I think it might be next week actually. But you can obviously do your own checks because obviously the registration number is in here in the video. So one of you guys will probably do a car check on it, no doubt. But yeah, so I've had it for about a month now, and now I've obviously fixed my Mrs. car, and it's just been sat here on the drive. Not here obviously, but at home on the drive. So I said to Mrs. I might just start fixing cars and flog them on. Buy some crash damaged cars off Copart or some other auction sites and fix them up and flog them on, and just keep doing that and see how it goes. And you know, you can only try in 2025 as the start of the new year, and it's my New Year's resolution. So I've always wanted to do it, and now I've got this car. I think it's just a starting point. So I'll take you round to some bits which I've obviously, this car's not perfect, but if you look on eBay, they go for like £2.5 grand. There we go, there's the mileage. So we've got 118,000 miles. It's a 1.2 TDI. Does 80 miles per gallon. It's free to tax, cheap to insure. It's a perfect car for, you know, a young driver. But yeah, as you can see here, so we got, that's an easy fix. Look at that, it's probably just a screw in there. Oh, actually, you can actually see it's a screw on your camera. Yeah, it's a screw. You see that? There's a screw right there. So that's an easy fix. Just screw that back up. It's got some scuffs. Got a scuff there. The tyres are white though. I'll really check them. But yeah, like, there's a few scratches along here. There's a scuffs on there. Some scuffs there. Oh, there's a little ding there. but you know, nothing major. So like even the discs, there's no lip in the discs. Pads are alright when you check them. Some condensation in there, but that's no biggie. You know, it's quite a tiny car. There's a scratch there on the door, but you know, apart from a few scratches and that one tiny little ding on the other door, this is the interior. So nice and clean, nice and tidy. There's the rear, the back interior. There's no partial shelf, but you know. So we do have some scuffs and that on the bodywork, but it's nothing really bad, is it? So we got 118,628 miles. Start it. You know, starts right. We got the engine light on. When I drove it just a minute ago, the coil light was on as well. So I need to scan that, which I'll probably do in the next video. Is get a diagnostics scanner on it and scan it and see what fault codes we got. But we got a start-stop error there as well. I know it's under boosting or something. It's got a boost leak because it's really sluggish. I know it's only a 1.2 diesel or turbo diesel, but it is so slow. I mean, it struggles, really struggles. So that needs looking at. But yeah, when I scan it, we see what fault codes we got and go from there really, and try and fix this thing as we go along. Right, let's go and take it for a drive, shall we? And show you guys how slow this car is. I mean, it's a 1.2 but TDI diesel, but oh my god, is it slow. Let's see if it starts first time. Yeah, we're good. Know where to put my camera, so I've got a stupid DJI one pocket thing. Need to get a GoPro really and get a mount and stick it on the screen, but we're all good. Just have to hold it. Right, let's go. The changes gear all nice. It's actually a nice smooth car really. But yeah, we still got the engine light on. Oh, this is a ball ache to get off. Right, let's go. Goes foot to the floor, and I'm not even joking, we're going 20 mile an hour. Right, now just cruise. So, yeah, so the story behind this car is my friend was going to scrap it. It was her first car, and it's definitely too good to scrap. I know there's a few things wrong with it, but like I said, there's not much wrong with it at all. It's going to go to the scrap yard. She was going to scrap it, so I gave her 50 quid more than what a scrap man would have gave her. So yeah, 200 quid for this. I'm not sure how much it's going to cost to fix, but I can't imagine it can be that much. So in the next video, I'm going to get a scanner and scan it, see what fault codes we got. Go from there as well. We're going to do a full service on it, so that would be, bloody hell, sun's in it. Full service, so that would be oil filter, oil change, pollen filter, oil cabin filter, however you want to call it, air filter, diesel filter. We're also going to do a cam belt, water pump, and the tensioners. Fit all them. I've videoed the whole lot doing that. Give it a nice clean up as well. I'll probably do that in the next video. Give it a nice clean, see how nice it can come up as. See how nice we can get this car looking, and when it's all done, we'll sell it and then buy another car, another cheap car, probably from Copart next time. use this money, because it's pretty much play money. When I sell this car, it'll be play money. So with that money, I'll go and buy a car from Copart, fix it, document it for you guys, and log it on and keep doing that. That's the plan. So if you're new to this channel and this is your sort of thing you like watching, please subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and also show some support. Any comments you want to say, just comment below. If you've got one of these cars, or you've had like a Polo 1.2 TDI and you've had similar issues with the low, like, doesn't boost, then let me know what unit it is. But I have a funny feeling it's going to be like the boost sensor, or it might even be a turbo actuator, I'm not sure, or map sensor. It could be or a boost leak, I don't know, it could be a few things. But yeah, until we investigate that, we don't know. So let's go and see what's actually wrong with the car. So I just gave it a quick scan already, and as you can see here, we've got two. Try and get a better. So as you can see here, we've got two, one for engine, one for battery regulator. Click on the engine. Not sure if you can see it, but it says turbocharger, boost control, position sensor, circuit, range, performance. So that's, I have a funny feeling that's going to be something like a boost sensor, or maybe even a turbo actuator. And then battery regulator, I'm not really fussed about that one. Controller for battery monitoring. So what we'll do now is to clear. Now the light's gone. Close. Let's recheck now. Diagnostics completed. So no more engine, we just got the central electronics. Oh, it's something else now. Alarm horn fault. Okay, let's clear that. Repeat check now. Check for issues. Takes a little while. Again, like two issues found now apparently. Show issues. The battery regulator has popped back up, so that's going to be an issue, wherever that is. Controller for battery monitoring, and the central electronics alarm horn. Okay, don't really fuss about that. Don't really fuss about that. The major one is the engine, because I'm just sat here idling. It won't happen again until I drive under load if it's turbocharger related. So no doubt that'll pop back up. Let's clear them again anyway. Clear them again, and gonna pop to the shop. So yeah, now you've seen what actually issues I had with this £200 car I bought. Not many at all, is it? So let's fix it in the next video.